baningi abantu abakhulumile ngaleya episode ukuthi wena awazi umsebenzi.
Imagine.
Wena kusho ukuthi wadonswa. And unamathwasa amaningi?
Yes, I do.
So bathi wena amathwasa lawa uyawadonsa. Angazi is them saying that.
The more they prayed, ngathi bebayenza wes ngize ngisho ukuthi angisafuni nokukhuleka because manje ngathi mangicala ngikhuleka indlozi libona kahle ukuthi nayi platform yethu. So how it started is that we are already in a Christian home. It's comfortable to pray. We understand prayer like that. Kwavela logogo ke seveza EP ka vela mabayi, and in my head I'm like, what the hell is this? My dad is going to kick me out the house. Manje bakuthiwa ngiyathakatha yabo.
You have imfihlo ebunyangeni?
Yes. Yo, there is. Well,
sure.
But no, ereko ubutse. Taba ya mfihlo ko bongakeng itself.
Answer the question first. Do we still have imfihlo ebunyangeni?
Yeah, kind of.
No, you are not certain. Do we still have imfihlo? Please be honest with me and the viewers and yourself. Do we still have imfihlo?
No, we don't.
You don't have what?
Ayikho imfihlo ebunyangeni.
Okay, tell me, what's the difference between isigubhu nekon?
Yeah, Pathanani.
What did I do now? I'm working here. I'm working.
Now, it's a yes from
I'm
me.
at work.
What in Kumisinya? What?
I'm at work, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Pathanani Mbata.
Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Pathanani, I am your chef. And I'm darling.
Where's the food? Chef, where's the food?
You are back, forget about food.
Mbuyile.
How are you?
I'm lovely. Uyangibona mos?
Come with this song. Again is fulele singing Tina la pemzini.
Iyo ingoma ngifaka ngayo.
Tina la pemzini singenile. Or Pavarotti. Which one is that? Sing it for me. You can sing.
I can't.
You can. You go to
No,
Mgidis.
No, being a part
Halala.
No, being a part of Mgidi doesn't mean that you can sing.
You can sing. It's unlike you.
Rimazangoma, suswa ingoma. Meluqule, sizemgidi.
No, but you sing very well, man. I saw the video somewhere.
Tell me, I'm shy.
Halala. What is the song?
City halala.
Halala. City halala.
Halala.
City halala.
Are you better?
No, you proceed. This is our platform. We're not rushing anything. City halala. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? And what's special about you? Remember, Munchies and Thoughts is growing every day. So we've got new Munchies and welcome. Yes.
I am Gogo Mercedes from Soweto, Central Western Chabavu. People don't need to know my age, right?
No, we don't need your age.
I love it. Yeah, Gogo Mercedes from Soweto. I paid it up.
Wow, thank you so much. Gogo Mercedes. Hey, last time one sharing king.
Ay, futhi ke. Bathi bangihlafuna ngathi yabona manje ngiyagowa. Ngiyadiphatha.
But was it a problem?
No. It happens.
Okay, let's before we can start the show with my questions. Ukhulume ngokuthi izangoma ziyadonsa, sidonsa amathwasa, sidonsa imali, sidonsa whatever you can call it.
Yes.
But did you say that ngoba into khona or mhlambe you made a mistake somewhere? I just want to know.
It's not a mistake.
Okay.
One thing that's happening is that people are not comfortable about talking ngezinto kanjalo. They think ukuthi mele uyifilter, but it's a thing that happens. So abantu bakhethe ismoke because of I'm being open about it. Mara iyayenziwa. So you cannot butcher me or slaughter me for ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso. Into eyaziwayo akusi mistake bayayazi bakwata seba right yabo. Seba right.
Bazovuka futhi
Sesilana futhi.
Lizovuka futhi indosi.
Qala enye futhi. Qala enye siyotrenda.
Lizovuka futhi indosi. No, you know what? Because baningi abantu abakhulumile ngaleya episode ukuthi wena awazi umsebenzi.
Imagine.
wena kusho ukuthi wadonswa and unamathwasa amaningi.
Yes, I do.
So bathi wena amathwasa lawa uyawadonsa. Angazi is them saying that. So nje kwaphuma izinto eziningi ngawe which I wonder because I was worried. I don't know if I called you because I was worried. But
No, you can't worry about me.
okay.
You can't because of inkulumo from before I was even a part of your podcast.
Yeah.
Kwasekhulunywa nje from the show, from me doing things differently on TikTok. Kwasekulabela ukuthi lezi zangoma zamanje. At the end of the day, it's like inkulumo ezimbi mina they build me. You see, every other negative thing that I receive, I'm like, okay, clearly I need to learn. And I get umuntu ozovete nevuke athi mina ngithwasile, now I know everything. You learn within the journey. Akupheli ukufunda. So umuntu mayifika, I feel like there's a lot of people that are waiting for me to slip up, and as soon as they get an opportunity, they will use it. But it doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't even build anything. Kusho ukuthi beyokhuluma into mina mangizimisela into ngiyayenza. Whether kuthiwa hey uyadonsa ngathini esigodleni sami esami. Angishare ne-TikTok yayibo.
Siyadonsa esigodleni.
Of course ngiyinyanga. I have to. Ngiyenza njani?
We have to do what?
Kumele sisebenze, kumele sidonse, kumele kuchubeke umsebenzi. And at the end of the day, nanoma uthwasa usagucile, sizokutshela ukuthi gogo donsa idlozi, khwaza amadlozi nanana. Yabona ukuthi inkulumo that we use on a daily basis. So if people are getting pegged by that, kitabona tseho. Ukuyabona libona na akiditseni.
Wow. I love you. Nje neqiniso lakho. And siyathandana kodwa uthi nithoza ngiluma anyway. Into engiyithandayo ngoba awufika la wabashaken.
No.
And noma sengikubiza ngikucela ukuthi uze awuzange uze uthi chef. Ngoba yazi le life leyana inzima. Ngiyayisaba mina.
No, but you must also remember with the social media, bad publicity sells. If people are talking negatively, it will definitely blow up. But again, we are not doing it for fame. We're not doing it for relevance. Ukuba relevant, but then if people talk negatively about you, you can't control it. If umuntu attachega ukuthi wena ukhuluma into ekanje na kanje, that's their problem.
That's their problem.
And then bakhohliwe manje.
Manje uzovuka manje. The moment bebona I-promo. Anyway, you know, I love it mawuqala ukhuluma nokuthi indase showing because some of the things we're going to talk about is your show. I didn't know that you had a show.
How do you not know?
Thokoza muntu wami, right?
Oh, Thokoza
muntu wami. I didn't know until I was doing my things. Then I had to go and watch the show.
Did you enjoy it?
I had to watch the show.
Okay.
I had to watch the show. Preparing this, carrying on, I need this.
So more kopanside thokoza muntu.
Today sizokhuluma ngawo thokoza muntu wami and other things. Because I had to go and watch some of your interviews as well. Then I had to take some of the things. Not stealing the content. I was just watching to get information because last time we were talking about something else, the modern sangomas, because you are modern, you are beautiful, you're young, you're vibrant. So today I want to talk to Gogo Mercedes. Masedi, ne?
Yes.
Masedi.
Yes. The brand is Gogo Mercedes.
Gogo Mercedes. Okay, Thokoza Mntwami. Gogo Mercedes, tell me, a year ago you were involved in a reality show, Thokoza Mntwami, where a relationship dynamics were on display, almost like the sangomas were laying themselves bare on national TV to the world. How did that show come about? How were you approached, if you don't mind to share with me, to be part of the show? And the motive, you accepting, what is the motive behind that?
Okay, so the show started very weirdly because I've never met the producers in person before we had our formal meeting. So what happened is that le TikTok lebang crasha gyona, it's actually what helped me to get the show. And then because I'm not feel yes, I have boundaries. But then I think with Pindi and Mo, they fell in love with how I'm involving my love life and incorporating it with ubungoma because of mina gyaziwa wathandana noMasedi. You have to know what I do. You need to respect what I do. So angeke ngikuvalele ngithi no, but then baby akusisona isangoma, therefore ngivalela ngaphandle. So my partner and I at the time, which was Yolo was very, very supportive when it came to ubungoma bami. He comes from a background where he doesn't understand these things. But now living with isangoma, people were like, how? Kanti isangoma siyakhona ukuthi Siphume kuma-date, you guys are having fun. That's the content that we served on TikTok. And again, I'm a lover of love. So whenever I love somebody, I'll make sure it's iyaphuma. So the producers fell in love with that. It was, oh, okay, fine. Here's a storyline. This is a young Sangoma. She's open about her relationship, something that Sangomas don't do at all. Angazi basaba ini ke ukuthi mhlambe bayogilwa angazi. That's their thing. But ukuthi sithole ishow it was because of I was posting a lot about our relationship. Now, I was not able to talk to them initially, so it was always just them reaching out. But to my DM, I don't check my DMs until my partner, my ex. But there's this person who's looking for you, and then I texted the person. It's okay, sis Pindi. Here's the story. Yolo told me and then they pitched and told me their idea, and I was like, okay, I'm fully with it because if I'm putting my relationship on social media, it means that I'm allowing you to have an opinion. So if it's on TV, I'm already ready for whatever that's gonna come up.
So you didn't have any motive behind.
Yeah, give me as a thing. If you want to tell a story about Sangoma love, let's go for it.
I'm sure you know now what we are talking about.
Yes,
Today we are
yes.
talking about relationships and Christianity, of course.
Oh.
Questions are coming, a lot is coming. So you know what we're talking about. So of course I will be asking a lot about relationship things because the show was all about you guys.
Ujolo.
Yes. Hey, given the sensitivity of issues that appeared on the show and all these things are talked about in front of the screen for the nation to see, how comfortable or uncomfortable was that for you and your person as well? Because remember, you did say ukuthi law sisi sangoma and sangoma. And then of course, but masiqhubeka sikhuluma, there are questions that will come, then I'm sure you'll be able to answer me. So now I just want to know about the comfortability because now there is a different now. How are you like
I went into the show understanding it's all about relationships. It has nothing to do with my practice. It has nothing to do with ubungoma. Yes, ngisangoma, but then the motive behind the show was that sifuna ukubonisa abantu ukuthi nesangoma siyagoba ngaphakathi komjolo. Just because ngisangoma ayisho ukuthi ngiyohamba ngiyokhendla manje ukuthi into zami zihambe ziyohlangana. So for me, it was a thing I don't have a secret because of also I've already started that chapter of saying my relationship is open to anybody. Yes, it was fun, but we've always had negative comments. So for him, I don't think I ever sat down with Yolo and asked him, but I could see as in caught him off guard, every now and then it does affect our relationship. But with the show unfolding, I was like, I'm not transparency. Like certain things we have. Yeah, what you say for indaba yakho ukuthi masifika endumbeni. If you watch the show carefully, there's no point where kuvezwa indumba yami or mina ngihlola noma kwenziwa into. Everything was all about the relationship, and I made sure ukuthi as much as how people get carried away when it comes to TV, you want to give your all because it's a marketing strategy. I kept it in my head ukuthi thokoza muntu wami hayi thokoza Masedi and Mathwasane. So my practice was always just secured, and I managed to ngicela ukuthi iphelele kwi relationship. Do not penetrate my ndumba because of once you step into isikolo sami, you must understand you are touching something that is very, very sensitive. So for me to be comfortable with it, I was like, kimujolo. It has to be personally, it has to be plus futhi ke la relationship yayiteka by the time we started shooting. So it was more of people need to understand what happened to Yolo and I. Ukuze bazi angithi now we have followers, people follow our relationship. We have people that love this whole content esibeke ngaphandle, but then I stopped. Just before the show, I stopped posting about Yolo. I stopped a lot of things because I understood that I just has underlying issues and now get content. Let's put everything on pause. If we want to tell each other ngamasalati, rather wait for the cameras in Panaka. So we did take some distance, but then we always understood it. If we want to address issues, we're going to address it properly because we have a lot of followers that are already following our relationship. So it's only fair that a viewer understands ukuthi kwenzakaleni iqale kanjani ukuze bahambe yohlukana noma iqale kanjani ukuthi uMasedi manje ashule.
Okay, let's hold on now.
Yeah.
Tell me, you're not together now, ne?
Yes.
Good. I always hear people, but they will align you to the right person. Unabadala Mercedes, uyathwasisa, uyadonsa, wamdonsa or wa align na kuyena.
Cha, into yakayolo ukuthi ngamphupha Now, I think the biggest flop was me misinterpreting the dream.
Lovely.
Mase
Love
ngihleli
that.
manje
I love
ngiyayibuka
that.
ukuthi no, I was supposed to heal this person, but now I'm also human, right? Ngiyakubona, the setup is very romantic. Nangu gogo escorting me to the love of my life. That's what I thought at the time. And then only to find out ukuthi cha, yibo Bob the Builder la, kumele ngihambe ngiyolapha amanxeba awukuthi wavuleka ngingakafiki. But now the thing is we grew very fond of each other. Yolo and I never really talked before our relationship. I just know him from dancing, you know, and he's just that guy. He was dating my friend and I was like, yeah, it's whatever. But now whenever, I must say, after the Lo Pupolelo, I think another thing that made me attached to Uyolo is that he came at a time when I was undergoing my training. Yeah, but we've never met. Remember, I only know this person from dancing, and then now saying ngiyamphupha mangimtshela ngephupho sokumuntu ukuthi uyalandelela ukuthi yabona lo muntu ombonile kugogo that recently passed away, and none of us in the family has dreamt of her. I'm like, angimazi. But now yabona every day we are inquire. Of course, if you text me every day and we are connected, that connection is always there. So my biggest flop was thinking, oh no, yellow kids are madlos, can't be next kesana.
So, Gogo, do you think we banning abantu, your opinion, abajola no kobela, not because bekumele bejole nabo, kodwa bekumele belashwe?
Definitely.
Okay.
Many people in the spiritual world, they make that mistake of thinking, I found love. Kanti sana Idlozi has a funny way of leading you into izinto. They will start off into and see to react kanjani. If react my feelings, Idlozi will carry on. Oh, now that you caught feelings, umsebenzi imission isamile kodwa again manje seyitshekile. So kunothando ngaphakathi kodwa at the end of the relationship or whatever that you guys are building, Idlozi uzokukhomba ukuthi cha, thina ilento besifuna ukuthi uyinqobe. And trust me, a lot of people know this ukuthi umuntu afika once that person is okay, you guys break up. And I'm not saying this just about Uyolo, but I've seen it with other people. Just in general. I've seen it with the person that came after Uyolo. I was like, oh, okay, same as this person. I thought but for me, it was okay. Yathandeka muhle ku-right find out later on ukuthi uneyinkinga Nkosi yami. So now I had to connect the dots, and now that I've connected the dots, right, yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle, nami sengiright, asisajuli yebo.
Wow.
And ibuhlungu ke uinvest.
No, ibuhlungu because now ingane zabantu ziyahetheka ke manje, zihethwa nje yinina zangoma ngoba ngize nje ngigula hey basazongihetha Nkosi ngoba ngiyazithanda izangoma.
Phuma lapho nyakhuza gijima.
Anyway, my manchies, I hope you are still enjoying the episode with Mercedes, Gogo Mercedes. Mercedes, I want to say thank you so much. Every time when I ask you to come to the show, you're always available. And of course, don't forget, I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own. I want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who already purchased the copy of my book. Guys, I appreciate you and I love you. It's 2025, a lot is coming. Mercedes, there's an interview I want to understand. Now we're talking about impact of Christianity on Ubungoma. I know when I was watching the Ukulekaya Lapo, it was Zingolo.
Kusasenjalo.
So just tell me, do you mind elaborating what domination you grew up? Since you because you were talking uti ukulelap, and then now being a Sangoma, how was it, the family, and now because I'm sure you were depressed somehow.
Culture shock,
Yeah,
that's all I can say. It's culture shock.
You also educating the manches and the families, abanabantwana, abasisontweni, and all those kind of things.
Into enkulu enzakalayo ngaphakathi kwe-spirituality as a whole is that people think that you need to separate uNkulunkulu nedlozi. These things work together. Now, khona imimoya yesithunywa, khona abenguni, khona ini. Mina la ngakhulela khona ngazi ukuthi ugogo wami yena uyena umuntu owasebenzisa isithunywa. I didn't know that. Naki hotikile slay queen. I did not care. Uyayibona ukuthi nalento ngangiyona, ngisaseyiyona, but now it's changed. It has evolved into something that is very, very big. And now I'm being comfortable within Ubungoma because I'm realizing that if I'm not comfortable, then I'm gonna hate my job every other day. Now what happened at home is that ubaba as umshumayeli no mama wesambatho, when izinto zamadlozi started, they tried. I'm not gonna lie, my family tried. Sifuna understand ukuthi kwenzakalani? Yeah, why are you now burning incense? Impepho ke akaze nje ngisithanda ismell sempepho ngisakhula. Ngangibona kahle ukuthi lento izongixakekisa, angi-understand ukuthi why mina ngishunqise nani. So ngazitshontsha mina ekhaya because now ingulo yakho is known by you. Your family, yes, they might support you, but ingulo yaziwa wuwe. And that's one thing that abazali abaningi make a mistake of thinking ukuthi ingane mina ngayikhulekela iyohamba ilahla idlozi noma izinto zamadlozi zizoma. Mina example shame, it never stopped. The more they prayed, ngathi bebayenza worse. Ngize ngisho ukuthi angisafuni nokukhuleka because manje ngathi mangiqala ngikhuleka idlozi libona kahle ukuthi nayi platform yethu. So how it started is that we are already in a Christian home. It's comfortable to pray. We understand prayer like that. Kwavela logogo ke seveza iphika vela mabayi. And in my head I'm like, what the hell is this? My dad is going to kick me out the house. My dad was fully against it, but he understood it. At the end of the day, it's either it's going to fall onto me or my brother. So Putwami was a person who he's very, very quiet. Mina ngiyaziphaphela nje all the time. Into mayivela kumina angilali. So when it came to my family, umama was like, Doug, listen, a lot of things are happening in empilweni yakho. You cannot ignore that you are being called. And I was a dancer. It came a point in my life where every other time when I had to go ballroom dancing, kuma competition, bengazi ukuthi ngizowina, but ngiyowina so ukuthi ngitipile lapha. At that time kuthiwa ngine breathing problem. Kanti idlozi liyavuka. Ukuthi if you are able to twirl around, kushuthi uzokhona ukufahlamela. If you are khona ukuthi uhambe uyokhuluma nabantu, mina I'm a very open person and I'm very talkative. Umuntu maneyinkinga vedine ezazoventa. Now idlozi liyangifundisa ukuthi ingulo yakho ihamba nokulapha abantu abaneyinkinga. So you need to consult and sit in your room and understand inkinga yomuntu and also understand where they come from. So with every other thing unfolding, give me as a thing I know so I get a choice. I love dancing so much. I recently just went back, but I used to be a dancer at heart. Came a time when I even had to take a gap year and focus on dancing because I was like, I want to pursue a career in dancing. But now it was the overtake. That's sisi uhambile waya esikoleni sakiyeka wahamba uyofly ama aeroplane sakiyeka manje sofuna ukuba ballerina no sorry. And what pressed me is that this other competition where I was like manje ngiyahamba ngiyothwasa. My sponsor came with a red and white dress. I didn't know ukuthi yabona ezangomeni ama beats have that power or kwenzakalani. Sponsor pulls up a dress. I'm like, yo, inkinga zami. I literally felt the weight on my shoulders. My partner still says, "Bra, you felt so heavy." I don't even remember that competition. Now me wearing that red and white dress, mabase bengihlola kwathiwa kumina, you are already accepting into abakupha zona. Idlozi lakho lifuna ukuthi uhambe uyonxiba red skirt, ufake ivest elimhlophe, kufake idumane, kube nemichako nani. You accepting the modern way of your dancing life. It now reflects somehow, like you can say njengoba gqoka red and white, nasi sangoma kuyabonakala. I went into a trance and I didn't even know what I'm in a trance. I don't remember dancing. I don't remember what happened. I just blacked out. Ngavuka sengivalwe ngama-cover silver. Abantu sebamela emdansweni competition listopiwe kuyaziwa ukuthi lo sisi lo akasekho.
So tell me, the church yasekhaya, is it the African church or the modern churches? You know, the modern churches abazamane.
It's a Methodist church.
Yeah, okay.
But we are black and white. Funny enough, and I think
you have one.
Yes,
right?
that's the thing. So when I got that out, I even laughed at my mom because because but now you see what he had a way of unfolding that. Naganjani, at the end of the day, we know the plan that we have for you. So you will fall into a church it aligns with certain things that so now whenever I became Isangoma, it was not taboo. Yes, they were not happy. They don't like that. I mean, you're a pilot, suspending melanin when you have your toes a man. Since in degree and everything. But me allowing myself to feel everything, I was like, Lengulo am busy in my competition. I need to attend to this. Personally, I didn't think that I'd be where I'm at. I thought it was in your hands and never said you come but it was like, no, ma'am. We have greater plans.
You got this, girl.
Yeah, like, bro.
And then how's everything now, Ekaya, Abazali? I heard the story now. I just want to know now because she has missed this land or land.
It's really nice. I'm not gonna lie. My dad still helps me ngokuthwasisa. My mom is very, very active. Abantwana bangena ekhaya bayazi ukuthi yes nangu ubaba kodwa ekugcineni bathokozisa ubaba noma wami. Mina ke yimi yeah, ariyendi khare this and this.
So usayi esontweni le Methodist?
No.
What stops?
Bengilala esontweni. ngiyafika esontweni my spirit is not fulfilled, like happy kuyabona uma uya esontweni uya ngenhloso yokuthi I want to be okay, I want to leave insonto with something. I'm not saying that Methodist did not help me, but came a time when I was like, I don't connect anymore, this does not align with izinto engizifunayo yabo. And then kena uyalinda futhi into yesonto nobungoma na awuvethena uthi mara nakihalethi siku uyayilinda leyo nto leyo. Mina it took me so long. I mean, I've only went to church twice ever since ngithwasile. Every other church that I attend itlabe lisitshiso for mathwasane or isitshiso sami, but ukuthi ngithi on a Sunday ngiyahamba ngiyesontweni, it has never happened saling ngithwasithe. So I've recently just started going to church, and a lot of things have been happening. I'm also still growing within that church, and I'm like, I love it because it's not a culture shock. We are used to this. We pray. It's okay, you know.
It's okay. You're at home.
But abazali they're very supportive.
Oh, lovely. Mercedes, I did watch your show, honey. So now let's talk about Idliso Lomjolo or Umshato.
Anginazo.
Gogo, you probably get clients who are, number one, how do you feel about Idliso?
I can't really say I have feelings about Idliso because angisebenzisi. Angithe we have specialties. I can't say I want to do everything. I'm not a jack of all trades. So if a person says ufuna isliso, ramorifera, I don't work in isliso. I've never used this liso. I will never even use this liso because of angpiwanga lapho. And futhi again, I believe in genuine love. If you kumele ngithande for lento engiyiyona, akumelanga ngilokunukela izinto because kusasa umuthi runs out at the end of the day. Ngizozikhohlwa ukuthi yabona ke bathe kumele ngimdlise every 3 months. Sekumele manje ngibe ne routine idliso into engapheli. Angisazi isliso. I'm not interested in learning about idliso. People who do it, good for them. Great. Unfortunately,
I'm going to ask you about Idliso. This segment now, it's all about that. Gogo, you probably get clients who are looking for love potions. Gorobela, my darling. Esinyanga, do you consult Idliso for a client, or you first check who is this person that is going to be fed a love potion?
I don't do it at all. I don't. If ufuna ukudlisa umuntu kune referral, I don't do it. I don't know what isliso looks like. I'm not interested in finding that out. I've never been shown so sharp. And ngasiseverekisi shame. Maybe mhlambe babangangibonisa yeah khona into engayenza, but personally I sharp.
So umuntu makafika efuna ukuthandwa, what do you do? Mangithi ngifuna ukubamba le boyfriend yami le ingahambi, ngifuna le boyfriend yami le ingithanda, ngifuna le boyfriend yami ngiphi imali. What do you do?
Let's call Mahlasela uzokwenzela. Let's call Banban uzokwenzela. Nah, I don't gatekeep. If I can't do into ngikutshela kusase Ellen, my clients, I know they'll watch this podcast, bazokutshela mina angiskip islis angisazi phathanani, like for real.
But if you can go for Donta, you can go for Idliso.
Ukudonsa phela wazi ukuthi phezu kwesigodlo sami ngiphiwe insebenzo, right? Ukuthi hamba uyolalisa izingane, hamba uyenza ini, lahla ipoki, yenza in. Now already I'm gifted in that. Now I'm only enhancing. Mangithi ngiyodonsa angisukela into engenayo. Angicali ngithi ngiyodonsa amathwasane ngoba ngiyawafuna egcekeni nosuka sengiphiwe isipho sokuthwasisa. Mengithi ngiyahamba ngiyodonsa, I'm enhancing ukuthi akungene ingane ukuthi sizothola ukulapheka ngaphakathi kwesigodlo sami. Angimdonsi noma ubani because of kusasa uzodonsa umuntu ukuthi they don't align with izinto that you can offer. Into also remember ukuthi impande nempande, the reason we are directed to impande is because impande asifani. So if ngithi ngidonse igulani nanana ngiyayidinga imali, and futhi ke I need to grow in my journey, but angidonsi into ukuthi angiphiwanga yona. Ngeke ngilande ngiyodonsa abantu abafuna ukuthiwa angikhoni. I don't know how that goes. So mengithi ngiyadonsa, I'm enhancing what already into ukuthi ngiphiwe yona. I cannot donsa into engekho ngoba ngizoyidonsa izongixaka mayifika ekhaya ngizothini ke. Yabona ukuthi now I'm failing people as a healer. So masithi siyadonsa suka kunezinto ukuthi siyasetshenziswa, kunamabaso, kunemithi ukuthi uyageza uyafutha, so that you attract the things that you want. You do not attract into ukuthi abakuphanga yona edlozini. That's where the problem starts. People bathatha into yokudonsa as a personal matter, as if now ngidonsa amathwasa. Mina into ukuthwasisa shame. Within the first day, I'm yobuye ekhaya nganginawo amathwasane, 3 of them, and I was like, I know that I'm gifted in this, and I haven't even advanced in my calling like that. But sengibonile ukuthi isipho sokuthwasisa into enginayo. And even when I started, it wasn't easy because of my gobela was not really helpful. So I was reaching out to different people ukuthi guys, nazi ingane angazi ngenze njani ngafundiswa mina ukuthi idlozi will not bring umuntu esigodlweni sakho ukuthi uzokuhlula. Once leyo muntu afikile kwakho hlalwazi ukuthi you have the healing power, but then as a young person, once you do not have the guidance from your gobela, or you don't have guidance from people that genuinely care about your calling, it becomes hard. So mase sicala sithi nyokokote emnyango wakho nalithwasana koko Pathanani,
Yes.
here I am, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Angilandi into engenayo. Angeke ngisukele futhi into engenayo. Ngisuka ngibiza wena ukuthi awuzongisiza phezulu kwento engiphiwe yona ngoba I do not have the guidance. Mina ke phezulu kokudonsa hayi ukuthi ngadonsa ngoba ngidonsele ukuthi ugobela ake. No. It was a thing yokuthi now that I have people helping me, let's enhance what we have so that ingapheli. Ebunyangeni siyagadlana ezigobela, you must know ukuthi bayokushaya ukuthi amathwasana angahlali, bayokushaya ukuthi amathwasana akujiyele, bayokushaya every other day. Like you wake up and you know ukuthi, oh, today there's a new weapon formed against me. Now mawuqala uenhance into yakho suka ufundisa idlozi lakho ukuthi nale ingane nizoziletha kuleli ceke, prep me for the work that I need to do, because of ekugcineni I don't have the guidance. I'll be knocking on the wrong doors. But now if ngingadonsanga umoya wokuthi idlozi lingiphe lona ngiyohamba ngiyokokotela izinto engingazazi. So masithi siyodonsa angidonsi into engenayo, no. You enhancing whatever that idlozi lakho has already gifted to you. Now bona bachestile banana hore na pitso ya uthwasisa, it was never a thing. No, into aso ekhaya kwakuhleli kuyinto ekhona. Masudonsa, you are just enhancing whatever that you were given.
Okay, so but ukuzwa ngedliso, right?
Yes, I've heard. I have
So,
people that do that around myself.
ufila kanjani wena ngedliso? Ngithi ukuzwa ngabantu ukuthi idliso liyini as much, but now I just wanna hear ugogo Mercedes.
Personally, Liso, and the things that I've seen, because of I have a lot of healers
Because you
around
did
me.
touch idliso showing me.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Into Liso ngaphakathi kwesekele yami is that I know people who do it, and I always ask ukuthi show me, so what happens if udlisa umfana? Ngithi vele ke lezi zinto lezi angeke ngiqambela manga. Umuntu wesilisa is very hard ukuthi aye enyangeni ayofuna iziliso. Yabona 90% it's women. Bafuna ukubopha nani. Now the guidance that I've received and my own personal advice yabona engiyitholile ukuthi lisa abantu abawu2 awudlisa umuntu ngaphakathi komjolo, because of now uzoba nenkinga. Umjolo is very critical, because of today I love you, kusasa kuvela omunye and I'm like, oh, actually yabo ngisaweya ama options wami. Now from my circle, what I've learned is that badlisa abantu abawukuthi bangaphakathi komendo and they can see ukuthi khona into elekhaya, then they start nuka-nukaring ukuthi bayakufaka kuphi nani. I don't go that deep, but ke bona mabayenza suka kuthiwe ukuthi ihlalisa i-couple phansi batshele ukuthi njengoba nifuna idliso ukuze kusasa ingakubhekfire. The reason why we face ama-case amaningi kangaka ukuthi abantu besifazane bayabulawa because uzomdlisa umuntu abe obsessed kanti wena sansana olengwanastrata na umntana abantu sekabophekile ufuna wena uyi-1 lapho uzomdlisile. So my personal judgment on that is that
Sorry, Gogo, because on the show you were against idliso.
akekeni,
Yeah.
no, akekeni. Njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi I will never even resort to that. If you don't love me for who I am, then my nigga, please leave. Because I cannot even just alter myself to fit your idea of love. If you do not love me genuinely, then hamba akukho muthi ongizosebenzisa phezulu kwakho, because lapho ngifukuzisa idlozi lami. Idlozi lami lifuna isigubhu, lifuna ukushayela amathwasana. Nakho manje sebasebenzela phezulu kwidliso ukuthi khona lo mjide kumele simfase. Utlongistressa. So mina izliso, sorry, no. Marabona let them do it. It's fine. I'm good. And
You are. What can you say to people who are against modern sangomas like you? Because you are modern, my darling.
People who are against that they don't want to grow. You must know, Ubunyanga is a generational thing. Inyanga ya 1902 cannot do the things that I'm doing now because of, remember, we have geographical changes, we have lifestyle changes. If you are still expecting me, sorry, that's on you. And personally, if Isangoma see against modern Sangomas, that's their business. If you do not like what I do, then fine, it does not affect me in any way. Stick to your old ways, fine, we respect that. Cool. As a modern Sangoma, people think modern Sangomas are very disrespectful. You must understand that within your practice, principles. You cannot just do things because of me. There's principles. Uyahlaliswa phansi. The reason we go through iPhehlo is that you break izinto uzaziyo. You cannot go ePhehlo and come back umuntu oyi-one. You go in, it's a culture shock. They're teaching you character building pila because uhlezi usedolweni. Many people know ukuthi namhlanje mangifika emgidini ngiguqa phansi ngathi bayangilobola ngize ngishaye isandla ukuthokoza mkhulu lana because I understand ukuthi kuwumthetho wobunyanga. But being modern within your calling doesn't mean ukuthi manje you need to fight me or in. That's where I'm comfortable. If the job is still being done, then why do you have a problem? I'm doing my job. Imfihlo yobunyanga ngisayikhiphile kodwa I want to look pretty within it. So what's the problem?
Do we still have imfihlo ebunyangeni?
Yes. Yo, there is. Well,
Sure.
but no, ereko ubutse. Taba ya mfihlo ko bongakeng itself.
Answer the question first. Do we still have imfihlo ebunyangeni?
Yeah, kind of.
No, you are not certain. Do we still have imfihlo? Please be honest with me
Okay,
and
no.
the viewers and yourself.
Okay,
Do we
no.
still have imfihlo?
No, we don't.
We don't have what?
Ayikho imfihlo ebunyangeni
Proceed.
because now we see quite a lot of things that are happening around us. Mina ngakhuliswa ukuthi khona ezinye izinto engeke uzitshela abantu noma uzivezele ebantwini. And I still stick to that. Mina wathi mina wabona umgodi ku TikTok, I tell them straight ukuthi you're lying. You've never seen that. And then nanoma sithwasisa, I have a lot of people showing up masithwasisa. People will arrive on a Wednesday. Lapho sihlehla inkani Friday, mara Wednesday sendlana. Makumele umntana ahamba yothwasa khululeka, ngihamba nezinja zami. If you're a guest at my ntwaso, you'll know ukuthi rofa crate. Someone nakwale khote, sgubu, irang whatever that you want. But imfihlo yesempandeni eyethu, abantu basempandeni. Now, the mistake that we do as young sangomas is that we want to put everything out there with the intention ukuthi sifuna ukubukwa. Ngifuna ukubonakala ukuthi ngenza umsebenzi omuhle. Mina ukuthi banginyatsa ipractice yami, that's on you. Abantu mina ama-client wami, they know ukuthi into mangithi ngiyayenza and trust me, I will not miss. But now I don't need to convince you ukuthi ngiyinyanga kwangempe if you do not believe ukuthi insebenzo yami iyaphilisa, that's on you. Truthi vele ke ngeke ngikuphilise because futhi umuthi is a very very critical thing. Like umuthi is tricky. If you already tell yourself ukuthi mangiyakaphathana na ngeke ngikuthola ukusiza noma ngize ngizokudutsa, it will not work for you because of already I have a plan. Sengize ngemission yami. But now if you come wholeheartedly, mina my clients are very very honest and bayazi kahle ukuthi mawufika endumeni ngizokutshela ukuthi mangabe you do not believe in anything that I'm going to tell you or into engizokupha yona, don't waste my time. Ashile refund ya hao kufele dikhweni tsa hao tsamaya mangafuna ukuhamba siyakudeshela kulungile sizoxoxa untshela inkinga zakho. But if you already thinking ukuthi uzongitesta chomi arihlohele because utlongitesta and ngiyatesteya now testa, I will make sure ukuthi ngiyayiphusha into yami, but your mentality is already telling you that I'm unable to heal you. So what are we doing? Ditlhare diyadura nacabanga ke bakufaka ehlathini ngamazipho umkhulu athi mamela ngidinga kuphi ngene ehlathini only for me to waste that with somebody that doesn't believe in me.
That's profound. Okay. Hey, angitshele ngihlale ngizwa ukuthi you can't have amathwasa amaningi.
Why?
And uzowathwasa kanjani amathwasa amaningi because lo ufuna lokhu, lo ufuna lokhu, lo ufuna lokhu. What's your thoughts on that? And I once heard ukuthi omunye athi mina nje it's either 4 a month. But is it possible to have
even
more?
4 is a lot. I'm not gonna lie, 4 is a lot of people.
But you have a lot of twasas.
Yes, ingane zami
Okay.
ziningi. There was a point where igceke lagcwala. I had to isolate because I'm like, listen, I'm still human. It's about 8 personalities that I need to study. It's 8 ancestors that I need to serve. Now, what happens as a Kobela, it's not a problem to have a matasana amaning if you know how to go about it. But it's more stressful if you have a lot of people that you need to pay attention to. That's why in Kulumozo, ukuthi mina angitholanga ukusizakala kwami ngoba besibaningi. Umuntu makangena ephelweni wonke umuntu unensebenzo yakhe. Yes, siyahamba siye emgodini eyiwani sisonke, but then hayi ukuthi lo mase ngimgibeze iroof nawe uzogibela iroof. No, indayelo iphuma edlozini lakho. Indayelo comes from Ithwasane to Gobela then Raira. If idlozi lakho liyabona ukuthi Ithwasane alilaleli, they'll come and tell you straight ukuthi sidinga into esona kulo mntana uhambe uyomenzela. Now imagine if you have 10 people. Nago without the maximum that I've had at one go was 8. I was losing my mind. I lost weight like crazy. I lost connection with a lot of things. I detached from Impilo Yami and had to dedicate my whole life to these kids. Only for them, ukuthi bahambe bayojika. Amathwasane vele ayajikelana because of, remember, as khuli ekhayeni liwani, mina ngikhuliswe ngokuthi umuntu uphathwa kahle. Khona ithwasane ukuthi mina ubangijwayela kabi ngizokushaya. Bangangitrapa. Yabona ngimncane kanjani? Amathwasane get to a point where it's very like stressana. Now, having a lot of twasana it's not magic noma in. If idlozi zakho lifuna ukukubusisa ngabantwana abawu-50, then why not? If they think that you are able to do it, then why not? Idlozi lakho suka libekela amandla ukuthi we know ukuthi lento le uyakhona ukuyinqoba. Idlozi lakho will not set you up for failure. They will not. Mina the time bangilethela ingane eziningi ngesikhathi esiyi-1 angazibuza ukuthi ngiyalinga ke manje because of mina ngijwayele ukuthi ngithwasisa 2 3 kuthwasa 2 kuguce 3 ngiyazi ukuthi nakule 3 le kuyothwasa 2 alinda abo bafo babo because I cannot pay attention to everyone. But if you are so strong within your calling or you're so strong within your practice, you know if wazi ukuthi wena uyakhona kwenza isithandwa sami, we will not even stand in your way. Now problem ke hore once you have amathwasana abo my 12 or 8 or 15 thiwa hayi uthwele ngamathwasana hayi ezinye izinto yes khona abantu abathwala ngamathwasana ukuze agcwala igceke, but khona abantu that are genuinely gifted in that calling ukuthi wena uzokhona ukulapha izizwe at the same time. Now a person from outside cannot come and say you can't, why can't I? If ngiphiwe, why can't I? And if I think that I'm strong, why ngakhona ukuthi babathi 40 at a go. Khumbule futhi ukuthi ithwasana malifika kwakho, it's not your timing. It's not your call to make. Suka kuyidlozi la loyo muntu lifuna ukulapheka kwakho. Now what happens in a case where 14 people need your help and when you're like, no, I'm only taking 4. What must happen to the rest of the 10 ewishiye ngaphandle? So umuntu mayifika kuwe ufika ngengulo yakhe ufuna ukulapheka kwakhe. You do not determine the number of amathwasana that you're going to have in a year. Mina I went from having streamlined amathwasana to having 1. And I understand because it's not a thing every now and then masedi 10 iyashintsha because of idlozi liyakututsa. For you to grow idlozi lakho needs to make you uncomfortable ukuthi sifuna ukukubona mbabaqala njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina bangilethela ingane ezu3 I'm new, I only needed 1. I know ukuthi la ngikhona mentally and physically, also spiritually, I can only accommodate 1 person. But when they brought 3, I was like, yeah, no. Ziyarara ke ngoku.
So uthi idlozi lisebenza ngethemiyalo. So bara lezi sidonsayo zona akusili themi idlozi thini?
No. Like I said, mawuqala udonsa awudonsi into ongaphiwanga yona. Once udonsa idlozi liyakhona ukuthi likuphe imithi ukuthi hamba uyoshisa ibathi wenze inini ubize imithi yakho laphayana bakufakela umntwana oyi-1. Ngitlophika. Ngizophika ngithi hayi manje sengihleli nomntwana oyi-1 kusho ukuthi angidonsanga kahle. Umdonso ayisho ukuthi uthwele noma unamandla over any other thing, but like I said, you are enhancing whatever ukuthi usuphiwe yona. If idlozi lakho at that given time thinks ukuthi we want to give you 3 kids, then fine. Udonse lawo mandla lawo, you are enhancing into yakho ukuthi senginawo amandla wokuthwasisa abantwana abawu3 ngesikhathi si1. Leyo 3 mayihamba sokuguqe 10. Kusho ukuthi umdonso wami uhamba ngendlela yokuthi I am able to heal 10 people at once. Hayi ukuthi ngiyodonsa izinto engazazi izinyozi lapha ngenkana. Ulapha ngedlozi lakho netiming yedlozi lakho.
Okay, tell me, what's the difference between isigubhu nekona?
Yeah. Pathanani.
What did I do now? I'm working here. I'm working.
Now, it's a yes from
I'm
me.
at work.
What in Kumisinya? What?
I'm at work, my friend.
Okay, so this is actually very funny because we were talking about igubu ne namagona. Tina last twase khona. Mehamba uyekhaya bayakwenzela igona, right? Igona ayisho ukuthi manje wena hey so igona kusuka sekuyimithi ukuthi ugobela lakho uyakuhlanganisela based on what they use empandeni. Impande ziyahluka. Mabakukhandela igona suka sekugobela bakho saying ukuthi idlozi lakho lisebenzele ngikufakela imithi ehamba nalempande nensebenzo yakho nedlozi lakho. Uyayibo? Mase ngithi kena ugobela ungiphe asithi ke thina empandeni siphiwa amagona awu2. Khona inungubani khona igona, right? And we know how to differentiate between the two. Now if I wake up and say ugobela ungiphe amagona awu2, but now idlozi lami liyavela lifune linye igona. You first need to understand ukuthi elani lelo gona leli bakubonisa lona. Whether it's an ungubani, noma it's an ostrich egg, whatever the case is, idlozi lakho liyakukhomba. Mina I always say ukuthi angikwenzeli into idlozi lingakubonisanga. Some of my kids angithi nami ngikhuliswe kanjalo ukuthi ingane mayihamba umenzela igona nenungubani sharp. Awuwe. If ithwasane liyabuya lithi baba mina sengibone igona lebis3. siyahlala sihlahlube indaba ukuthi elani because of amathwasana are very very manipulative. Ithwasana lingafuna imali noma bafuna izinto afika athi God idlozi lami lithi umenzele kanti hayi yena sukane imishini yakhe
Motive
yabo.
behind,
So
yeah.
now what I like about social media is that these things are always out there. People are now marketing e-group. Actually, because I mean, I'm group is 5,000, this group is 10,000, nan. But now, when it comes to that, you need to understand because Gigwenzela is group based on what? Uyinyanga.
Okay, before uscoop usuqoqele ngekona.
Yeah, kolgone ngidluza badimo.
Okay.
Yinto ukuthi ugobe lakho uyakukhandela for indumba yakho. Isiviko sakho, induku yakho, whatever indayelo mawenzela umuntu igono yamlayela ukuthi gogo lalela njengoba ngikulethe ekhaya lezi zinto engikubuyise ngazo hayi futhi akusiyizinto lobunyanga engikubuyise ngabo because of mina I always say ukuthi igona nenungubani that's your router ki Wi-Fi. If something goes wrong in your ndumba igona lakho must tell you. Mele lisho ukuthi ayikhona into e-off. So yiyo into eqhumanisa wena ngokwenyama nedlozi lakho. Now mawukwenzelwa amagona njengoba ngisho ukuthi uyaqhunyaniswa nemithi yakini nedlozi lakho. Ukuthi nakho sekusiyamenzela bayakuphahlela ngithi makufakwa ithwasana sikhapha siyaphahla egedini nayi umuntu nazi izinto zakho nanani ziyatshelwa ukuthi sikulethe ekhaya elithize size ngomsebenzi wedlozi ngoba empandeni thina sigodusa ngegona eli1 noma awu2 or noma i5 iphuma kumpande. Now leyo nto leyo uyithola from your gobela to your ndumba.
Okay.
Iqala lapho. Now umuntu mase efuna igubhu khona abantu abenza igubhu zamabhizinisi khona abantu abenza igubhu ba angazi nje kuningi khona igubhu zokuvika khona igubhu ezithize nani. Now isigubhu what stresses me so much is that business people bafunana negroup not realizing ukuthi lento uzifaka ngaphakathi kwayo kuyisivumelwano because uma ngicala ngithi ngiqhumanisa nomuntu awuthwasanga nakho ngikhandela imithi nyagaya ngiyayikhulumisa imithi phela masilibele senza ngithi ukuthi mhambi yolanda imali nobuntu unebusiness simqhumanisa nale mithi nan there's a whole ritual that is done before yohambi yothenga iscoop sakho. Now once ufika you have terms and conditions that you're given depending on inyanga uye kuyona enye inyanga izokutshela ukuthi mina iscoop sami sifuna igazi kumele ulibe luhlaba every now and then omunye uzokutshela ukuthi mina yami ayidingi lutho so yabona ukuthi iyahluka but now the difference there is that isigubhu indayelo imithetho ephuma kwinyanga yakho ilini nawuhlile kona nonyaka zigubhu ka uyirela based on what you want kodwa ikona nenungubani suka kuyizinto zamadlozi wakho ukuthi njengoba singaphakathi kwalesigodlo kumele sivike kumele sisebenze kumele senze ini. Now people go out for igubhu and benza igubhu zeimali without understanding the depth of it. Umuntu awuvedeni umkhandela isigubhu uthi hamba uyosibeka lapha yana ungasinaki kanjani awina kanjani because of as inyanga uyazi ukuthi kumele ngivusele every now and then kumele ngihambe ngiyophahla ngoba ngalethwa ngaloyo mthetho isigubhu mase bakukhandele sona people have problems where ukuthi uzothi ngilande isigubhu but asangisebenzeli chomi uphasise nini uqhunyanise nini nalento yakho that's why manje siyakuhlupha because uhambe wayolanda into ukuthi izokupha amandla noma yakusebenzela ngendlela ethize without understanding ukuthi uyilandele ini but now igubhu I see a lot of people pulling that for imali bafuna impumelelo nanana isigubhu yes it has the power to do izinto ezikanjalo but then my dear you know very well ukuthi you are getting yourself into the pits awuthwasanga wena ufuna igubhu uzosenzani kusasa mase sithi hamba uyohlaba inkukhu ntathakusa uyayisaba lapho inkukhu sekumele uhlabe manje so igubhu na ake fan ya igubhu shem.
Thank you so much. My matches and thoughts. I hope you are enjoying. My love, we don't finish content unless you don't want to come back.
Siyabuya.
And the next time, ngifuna kwi-panel.
Nje.
Next time ngifuna kwi-round table.
Wena udon set up kuli panel insaha.
Awa ngisetapani mina. Awu futhi wena you can talk wena usabani wena.
Iyayiva.
Awa wena uzovela ungidonsele.
I don't even need your questions.
Uzovela
No, I need to behave. I have time to keep behaving.
But anyway, your word of wisdom, what is it that you want to say to the Munchies and anyone, the families? We spoke about the Christianity, how your family supported you. We spoke about your show, which was all about relationship. We spoke about Igubu and Amagona. We spoke about Iliso. So we spoke about so many things because we're having fun here, man. So I want you now to your word of wisdom to the Munchies. Give advice. What is that you can say to them?
Advice, yeah, life in general with Ubunyanga or
just advice. Now this is your chance. Now you are not being asked questions, interviewed. Now you are just told to give advice. Word of wisdom, my love.
Okay, my advice to everybody out there, ukuthi bazobuka and then they have questions or whatnot. I always say ukuthi lalela idlozi lakho. I think I said this the last time as well.
Yes.
Ukuthi lalela idlozi lakho ayikho indayelo edlula edlozi lakho. I can say whatever that I want to say, but if idlozi lakho does not align you with that, show me, listen to idlozi lakho. Ayikho enye into ukuthi idlula lokho. Whether family or friends or relationships, if idlozi lakho lithi mina ngifuna ukuthi wenze kanjena, you just need to submit. And you must also be careful ukuthi you do not submit into the wrong things, because of manje abantu abaningi they find themselves following a calling where bongadingi ukuthi uthwase noma bongadingi ezinye izinto, but now you find yourself within it because of social media said or Gogo Mercedes said. You must listen to idlozi lakho. Don't ever make a mistake of listening to advice yomuntu ngaphandle ongazi ingulo yakho. Focus on yourself, and spiritual alignment is something that is very, very important empilweni yomuntu, because of imimoya mningi, siyadonseka, siyalahlekelwa, abantu
Siyadonsa.
siyadonseka. Listen, siyadonseka. People think ukuthi ubungoma is luxury, weaves, dresses, filled bars and champagne at the end. It's more than just that. What we show you guys on social media or what we portray on TV, that's nothing. The depth of ubungoma, bruh, it will take you. Bona, you will travel from hell and back and take another flight to hell again because you don't understand what you're doing. So my advice is that jula ngaphakathi kwento yakho, into mawuthi uzoyenza, idlozi lithini, abantu bakini bathini. Understand that, angeke ulahleke. Ngisho noma abazali bangathi siyakhuleka, idlozi malithe mina ngifuna kanjena, just understand what you're doing. Abaningi futhi ke nasizithola singaphakathi kweyinkinga, so ukuthi mina ekhaya abafuni, ekhaya abafuni, then what? Impilo eyakho at the end of the day. If uma wakho athi awuyi lapho, yena udojile. Uyekile wadoja amabullet ngendlela yakhe. Wena idlozi will not even let you go, because of we said that we are a generation that makes things happen. Now amadlozi absorb every other thing that we do. Njengoba nithi you make things happen, you are gonna rectify your generational curses or your generational steps that were missed. If idlozi lithi bekumele kuthwase ugogo wangathwasi, mayifika kuwena, you are in the generation where we make things happen, so make this happen. So lalela idlozi. Ungadekadeki, omunye umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi idlozi lakho lithini. Ezinyanga futhi we are very manipulative. Ngakutshela ukuthi kumele uyothwasa manje noma ubani uyashona kuphi, ngifuna imali. Uzothwasa kimi phela. If idlozi lakho likhomba ukuthi hamba uyothola ukuphila kwakho kulo muntu lo, lalela uyenze every other thing. Uhlutshwana le rena baba happy.
On that note, it's a wrap and goodbye, darlings. Thank you so much.